Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're a new viewer, definitely go to our channel, watch all these videos, and if you're liking it, hit the subscribe button to be a part of this big family. For the ones who want additional services, always WhatsApp 7892652481 only for additional services, and for the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel only for learning and bonding, then you can click the link in video description or about section and open your account in Zerodha or Upstox or Angel Broking. Any of these you can open and be part of our secret Telegram channel. So without wasting time, let's see how I practice my options trading today. So if you see over here, I've just taken a quick position in Bank Nifty. Okay, so I got an opportunity in Bank Nifty 21,000 CE. Yes, the market, if you see Nifty overall is down and it's almost in the lower area, and Bank Nifty also same condition, fully down and it's almost in the lower areas. Okay, after some time it needs time to recover. So here I was waiting for a call option, which was already down for the day, so I was just waiting for a small corrections in terms of Fibonacci and all those, and small support in terms of stochastic moment, and RSI is little bit recovering. Okay, if the selling pressure is there, definitely it will continue down, but I'm trying to scalp out a few rupees here and there, so I just took a position here. So I have taken around 8 lots of Bank Nifty. So 28 is 160 quantity is the quantity in this particular contract. So let's see, I had taken around 150.59 in my practice, so I'm not risking more of my money. I'm just practicing with some portion of my money only, because I'm not that confident in terms of options like our equity. So always in my learning stage, I don't want to risk much money. So whatever is happening good in paper trading, I'm trying to apply that on real market and trying out things. So I see good movements. You see it's already crossed. When you see 3 rupees going up, it is like 2 percentage of 150. Okay, so either you can put square off and type your numbers to be more safer. I would say put your number, dedicated number, but I'm just seeing from this lower levels, if market could recover little bit, a small correction and 2-3 candles of Fibonacci going towards this point. Okay, this center band of Bollinger Band, if it is going, then some advantage I can take those movements. Okay, patiently, basically intraday, not waiting for whole uh, month, expiry month, no. So you see a small improvement in the price. Okay, so it's very fluctuative. So it went up to 56 like you saw. So this is a weekly expiry. So you see this is 18th June is a weekly expiry. And because the number of volume here is so high, today I will try to make a video how to select a proper strike price for intraday, and how to do buy a put and how to buy a sell, how to know the strike price exactly, because for a better volume in intraday the volume is very important. If for example you take let's say a different strike price, but you see the volume is 1 lakh, but whereas here taking the right strike price, the volume is 40 lakh. So number of people trading here is comparatively higher. And if you see the open interest over here is like 28,000 people are only interested, contracts are interested. Here you see 5 lakhs. So where somewhere people are more in this particular contract. So how to find that also I will tell you in that particular video and learning video in our 7:30 p.m. timings. You can check out that video also. This is just a live market, just practice video which you can observe. So if you see the market has been closed and the market has been ended. If you see, we have exited our positions over here. So 175 is the position at which we sold here. So if I go to my trade book, okay, so we are taken at 150.57 and 175 I put a limit order during the day, so a net profit of around 3,906 rupees in this particular option practice. Okay, so I waited for a long time. If you see, the first trade what we took was around, what is the time, Okay. Time was around 10:55. We took a trade, and later the stock went around 6 to 7 rupees above. It went to 158, where I didn't book, considering it was 8 rupees was a good movement, but I didn't book. I missed to book my profit. Psychological problem once again. So later the stock went down because I expected the market will go up, right? And the market didn't go much up. During that day after 11 also it didn't go up, it further went down. So my option also went down. Finally market started going up as predicted, half of the day. So it went up. So that is when my options came up. So if you see, look at my option also. So we took around 10 for 10:55. We took around here. It went up to this 58 line also. I didn't book my profit. I expected it will go higher or at least reach this line, right? So it didn't happen, but anyways it went down and I holded my position because I've not taken extra leverage or something. Whatever is the premium, I've paid that money and taken. Basically I can hold my position also, but it is risk to hold an intraday position. Okay, now what happened, later I waited, it came again to my cost to cost 2 3 times and later finally broke over here. So I booked my profit. I set and kept a limit order so that I don't get deviated thinking I'll get more and more. So I put a limit order here for 175, and luckily once and twice it came, and third time I put my order, it hit my order. After some time the contract finally came down and ended around here. Okay, so that's how I booked my profit in this particular trade. It was a good practice, very quick it is. If you miss, if you blink your eyes, things will miss. So I left my laptop and went out. So in that miss, by the time I opened my mobile, things had already gone forward. So yes, looking sitting in front of the system is very important if you're scalping out money, and in options, as I'm not that confident, to get a second chance and third chance is very difficult, like a equity stock, because of time value the options value goes to zero. All right, so therefore that is one disadvantage. If you miss now, it's not like that I will buy hold for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. If you miss now, higher chances is if market goes down tomorrow, the premium will go completely down, and by Thursday this weekly will become zero. Okay, so that is the biggest risk. Apart from that, yes, market was more of on a red side today, and later post like 12 o'clock things change, right? So you see a positive note. Too many sellers were there, later buyers came into picture. So like I told in my Telegram secret members, mid of the day if the market changes, take advantage on positive stocks over here. All right, so that was more about today's my practice. Hope you guys also practiced. If you're not yet practicing, start your practice today, because learning every day something will make you something tomorrow. So therefore spend some time in learning. Either if you don't know equity, you learn equity. If you don't know futures, learn future. Or if you're learning options like me, learn options, so that after few months or few years we can make a big difference. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.